Newton Crouch Incorporated presents technical tips. It's the time of year to store your equipment. Before you do, you need to thoroughly clean it. Would you put your dishes in the cupboard like this? Well, don't put your equipment in the barn dirty.
Hi, my name is John Crouch from Newton Crouch. I want to talk a little bit about maintenance on your spreader. You can see here that this machine has been in the field, been spreading a lot of fertilizer, and it probably hasn't been cleaned as well as it should have been. So spending, whatever it takes, 10, 20, 30 minutes at the end of every day to wash the fertilizer residue off your spreader will help it give you longer service life and less breakdowns and trouble along the way. This is a good example of buildup on your fertilizer spreader. You can see that when it goes unattended, it packs and it basically becomes as hard as concrete.
When you get through using your spreader in the end of your season, the best thing you can do is wash it off. Wash all the fertilizer off of it that you see, even in the hidden spots, behind the chute, up underneath the dishes, everywhere. Then cut your bed chain on and run your bed chain a little while. Make sure it makes a number of full revolutions to get all the fertilizer off of the chain and the rear roller and wherever it may have been hidden. When you don't wash your spreader off, the fertilizer will eat the paint away. The PLT that this spreader is designed to spread is very corrosive, and if you leave it on the metal, it'll eat your metal up. Right here it's eating through the Herculiner barrier that we've coated this trailer with. Your best friend with a spreader is a water hose and a grease gun.
You go right ahead and put that equipment up dirty. We'll be glad to clean it up for you in the spring before you can use it. Proper maintenance will save you time, money, and a lot of headaches.
Don't even think about putting your spreader up before you properly clean it.